So we just woke up like 10 minutes ago and we're already at our scooter adventure for today. I told Cortland to test ride it, but he does dirt bikes and stuff, so he knows. But look, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Yeah. Hey, Stormo.
I know what I'm doing. I don't know what they do.
Yeah, I'm straight.
This is like my longest like ride, so like it's great.
Yeah.
Like an hour?
An hour straight.
I ain't never rode dirt bike for an hour. Maybe like
Okay, so we're back and we are on day 3 of the recap, and this is when we had our Vespa ride.
That was fun.
So we woke up at like 8:30.
Yeah,
really
I
late.
picked up at 9, like 8:40.
Yeah, but it was across the street, so it was very convenient. All we did was put sunscreen on our face and our shoulders, and you put it on your arms.
Yeah, I was straight.
But then that's really it. And so after that, we picked up the Vespa. I told Cortland to try it because I was nervous and I wanted to make sure that he knew what he was doing, which he did. And we put our helmets on and we planned to like stop back home and get what we needed to get for the day, but we didn't.
We just kept driving.
Yeah, so...
And before you know, we drove like an hour to get some breakfast.
So at first, we wanted to go to Positano first.
Yeah.
Yeah. But Positano, there was like some road thing going on. Sorry.
You good?
No problem.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
So there was something going on in the road, so we had to stop. We went to Amalfi Coast. We were about to park, and the cop passed by us and was like, can't park here.
So then we ended up just going to Ravello. That's how that happened.
Yeah, Ravello. So we ended up in Ravello. We were like, we just follow the signs, right?
Mm-hmm. It ended up being like another like 30-minute ride, but it was nice.
It was really nice. The views on the ride was really nice. And we thought that like the night prior we were going to like kind of cancel or like see if we can do not a full day, like 2 hours, because we were kind of nervous about it. But it actually wasn't that like bad. It
wasn't bad at all.
I felt safe, to be honest. All I had was a helmet on, but I felt safe on it. And the roads aren't that narrow. Like when you're in a bigger vehicle, they seem very, very narrow, like you're about to fall off the edge. But when you're on a Vespa, the roads become like so much bigger.
Yeah.
So we ended up in Ravello. We ate lunch or breakfast there, kind of. It was like
like
pizza.
11:30. Yeah.
And then from there, we just walked around a little bit. And then we were like, okay, we really want to go to Positano. So we took the longest way to get to Positano.
It took us like 2 hours.
Yeah.
It was nice though. It wasn't bad. We was moving.
We ended up on the highway. I thought it was going to be like a chill day. You know, we had gotten chased by dogs. We got, throwing up, the days before. So I was like, okay, Vespa is going to be chill. We ended up on the highway, which was like a little nerve-wracking, but like not too bad.
It was just different, but nobody seemed to care. I think it was normal. The scooter wasn't fast enough, so we was out. And we ended up driving all day, and we finally got to Positano.
But when we got to Positano, there was like nowhere to park.
And it was mad steps.
Everything is like downhill, which I told him. So I was like, let's just like drive by it and just say we went here.
Yeah, so we drove through there. We stopped, took pictures, all that. Mm-hmm. And then where did we go after that? Where did we eat that night?
We went to we went back home.
Yeah, so after
we had to find some gas.
Yeah, so after that we drove back to where our Airbnb was in Aguilera. We went there. Took us forever to figure out how to pop the seat though.
It was so simple too.
Yeah, but the guy was explaining the instructions mad quick. But when we had just woke up like 20 minutes before, we were still half asleep. But
all I knew how to do from his instruction was where the horn was.
You told me how to do that.
Because Cortland thought it was something else. I knew the horn.
I'm like, nah, that's not the horn. It sure was the horn.
And then after that, we finally made it back home. And I think we chilled. Like, we were on the scooter for like 6 hours.
Like all day. Literally from like 9 to like 4:35.
Yeah. And mind you, we had the scooter until 8:30, so we could have been on it for like the rest of the day. But our butt was hurting. We were burnt. I got burnt because we didn't put enough sunscreen on, and we were like outside. The sun was just hitting us.
Yeah.
Like all day.
We went back, and then I went to go work out. Danny was chilling, going through pictures and stuff.
Yeah, I was going through footage.
And then we came back. We ended up getting a good sandwich from the little deli down the street. It was real good. And we kind of chilled out, we
burgers.
Talked. That's what we had for dinner.
Oh, yes. We had a sandwich. I'm sorry, I forgot. That was a good sandwich.
Yeah, it was good. We chilled, got ready for dinner. And then it was pretty cool. It was right down the street, so that was nice. So we didn't have to go pretty far.
Club 18 is what it's called. It was very good. We had burgers. It was like American burgers. And I think that's all we did.
That day?
We took some pictures.
Yeah, we took a lot of pictures that night, actually.
A lot.
Yeah. And then,
and I think that's it.
Yeah.
Then we went to sleep. Then we like kind of packed. We packed because we were leaving the next day in the morning.
Yeah, so we got packed before we went out to dinner, which was good.
Yeah.
And, then,
I think that's it. That's all we did.
Yeah. And then that was it. We came back, ate some sherbet, whatever.
It's super sweet. Yeah. Super sweet. And then I just got a stracciatella gelato. And that was it. That was our day. It was fun. I liked it.
Me too.